Hey everybody, this is Lance with ThetaTraderz.com here. This video I just wanted to go over on inner circle and safeguard and consistent passive profits. You could get all of these strategy guides. And so even if you're not doing the lifetime inner circle plan and you're doing safeguard or consistent passive profits, I will give you every single strategy guide that I've ever written. There are 44 of them. YouTube channel, blog posts, recommended order of strategies to learn. So if you're new to option selling, I give a recommendation on all the various strategies and what to do in what order. I have a lot of handwritten notes on selling options. Risk tolerance profile. So people that are more risk tolerant, they could do more of certain trades. If they're less risk tolerant, you do other types of trades that are a little bit more conservative. Cash secured puts, you can earn 4% a month on cash secured. Wheel strategy, where you're selling covered calls and then selling cash secured puts. 4-man covered call, if you have a smaller account, you do similar strategy to the wheel strategy. Credit spread guide, visual version of it. Monday spread guide, where you do individual trades each Monday. Zero DTE guide, 2 different zero DTEs. This is the average true range off a futures account using your excess buying power. Diagonal spreads, debit spread that we use with VXX, which is similar to an option selling trade because VXX the Ks of iron butterflies that are 1 DTE, 3-month SPY. Put credit spread into the poor man covered call is a new strategy that I just started. Percent allocations and risk management is a big one. This is where I go over different recommendations on what percents to use in each strategy and how to manage your risk. Selling futures options, 1-week cycle strategy, in the money covered calls and wheel strategies, wheeling MES, safeguard trade. This is a pretty big document going over 112, 1122 trades, allocation ideas on how to size it properly, looking at ratio spreads, 221 and 331s, covered strangle strategy with futures and non-futures, high deltas with stop out strangles, buying power on your futures options and how to deal with span margin requirements, broken wing butterfly trade, my personal trading plan and how I fund my account, quick summary of it, what to do if you're fixing income off your excess futures buying power, how much bill to buy, and when to allocate properly on it, delta theta considerations for your portfolio, looking at positive expectancy, approximate buying power for each strategy. So if you're curious about how much to use in each strategy, it has it here. Ideal market conditions when we put on certain trades based on the market. Seasonality charts, hedging strategies, more hedging strategies with a lot of different hedges in case of Armageddon events. Buy and hold strategy guide. Do get access to all of my individual long-term buy and hold investments as well in any of the plans I mentioned. Also how to teach your child investing, saving, and spending, and the spreadsheet of trades. So again, if you sign up for any of the non-quarterly plan, so consistent passive profits, safeguard trade, or lifetime trades, you will get access to all of these strategy guides. If you're interested, I'll have a link in the description down below. Leave me any questions or comments, and talk to you guys on the next one.